and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's cream of asparagus soup cooked in the Vitamix A3500i. This is a new machine. I'm going to just first steam our asparagus quickly, allow them to cool, and then continue with the recipe. Okay, we've just steamed our asparagus. We've removed just a couple of stems for garnish. It's quite cool now. We are going to put that into our Vitamix jug with our homemade chicken stock. Okay, now we add our homemade chicken stock, put our lid on and clip it into place. Okay, now we select the hot soup function and then we press start. Okay, when it's finished preparing itself, it is really quite hot. See the steam coming out of there? That is just the friction of the blade. There's no heater in this machine at all. We add our cream now, just through the lid, with our seasoning, which is some vegetable salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Half a teaspoon of that. And about a half a teaspoon of our vegetable seasoning as well. Now we're going to turn it to variable speed 2 for 10 seconds. And that is done. Okay, it's vibrant green. It's very hot. We've just decorated with a couple of our little asparagus spears that we've held for decoration, a couple of dots of cream and some freshly cracked pepper. Serving it with some of our homemade high fibre bread. Okay, have a little taste, shall we? Very smooth, very fresh, cooked in no time. And all of the fibres in that asparagus has totally liquefied. I think I've just found my new favourite soup. Thanks for watching.